This is the Truffle Brioche. It's the special edition for Diwali. Thank you for purchasing it. Basically, a brioche is a buttery, delicious bread which has eggs in it. And this one is flavored with a lot of truffle oil as well. Really easy. You can slice it out. You can see not very dense. Can be paired up easily with any of like the marble cakes for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna toast it and show it to you. It's toasted the bread, nice and golden. No butter, no olive oil, nothing on this. But on this now, what I'm gonna do is I've got some blueberry compote. You can make any fresh berries or fresh fruit, whatever is in the season. A little bit of the compote, a little bit of any salty cheese. I would suggest like a feta. Feta will go really well, or a goat's cheese as well. Apply the same generous olive oil, and then finish it off with a little bit of balsamic. Easy recipe to eat at home. Try that out. Cheers.